southern Pennsylvania at necessity. French and Indian War began. This was the only time for building the fort. There was a French attack here. It's the 17th, and the French attacked first, and time he ever surrendered. And after surrendering, his fort built